NBC5 responds. When was the last time you wrote a check? In today's digital payment world, it's kind of a thing of the past for paper checks. But get this, the federal government recently announced it would stop issuing paper checks. NBC5's PJ Randhawa explains this change comes with several benefits, but it is something you need to prepare for.
Finance experts say in a world without checks, you can expect faster payments and a more secure payment process. There's also a financial benefit for the government and taxpayers.
It costs around $2 to $4 to issue a paper check and $1 to $2 to receive a check, whereas electronic payments are about 50 cents per transaction altogether. So it's a significant savings that you might not expect in addition to the convenience.
According to President Trump's executive order, the U.S. Treasury has about 6 months to phase out the paper checks it uses for things like tax refunds and the roughly 500,000 Social Security checks it mails out monthly. All federal agencies will also have to switch to electronic payments by September 30th. The order puts the responsibility on government agencies to educate people on their electronic payment options and says exceptions will be made in certain cases related to emergency payments. The transition could also cut down on financial crime. While checks account for less than 9% of all payments, they're used in 66% of payment fraud, according to the Association of Fraud Professionals. John Kiernan, managing editor at WalletHub, gives us the bottom line.
With changes like this, there are always going to be trade-offs. Sure, maybe it will be a little harder to kind of stay anonymous or not have a banking trail, but you also have less of a risk of the government sending you a check you don't know is coming and someone stealing it out of your mailbox.
The announcement is a good reminder to make sure your money is in the best place it can be for growth. Experts at WalletHub say not all bank accounts are created equally. For example, online savings accounts will give you the highest interest rate right now, about 5 times more than branch-based accounts. Some banks, like SoFi, will give you a higher interest rate if you enroll in direct deposit. WalletHub also recommends using a credit union because some can offer interest rates 39 times higher than checking accounts at regular banks. No matter which type of account you have, make sure you know of the monthly and annual fees. PJ Randhawa, NBC5 responds.